Oh, God.
You needed that one. That was deep. You good?
I'm definitely ready for this.
Yeah, great. Good. Good. That was easy. Back to 60. You good?
Great. Oh, goodness.
Relax. No, that was easy. Good. Awesome. Let's see the other side.
Wow.
Really?
Oh.
It's good. Go back face down for me. Relax your head, this shoulder. Good. Yeah. You get to go today. Tell me how.
Hey.
How you feeling?
Yeah, so when can I come? How often can I come? Is my next question.